Okay, mate. Now, I was told by the owner of these saws, the studs run on when they warmed up. Now, all three of them did it all at the same time. I asked him if they had to change the fuel. They said no, so I started them up, see what they sound like. I might have to tune them, and then we'll do a cut. So we've got a Mac 350A. Okay, not my favourite saw, which is weird. The oil screw here, I thought it would fall out. It's on a funny angle. Factory though. Got a Shindewa. A Shindewa 360. So little saw. And we've got a still. I thought it was an 051, but it's not. MS 031 AV. So I'll start these up and bring you back. Get them all warmed up. Okay, I got two going, but the still won't go. It did start up. It's a low pressure. I think you might have a dead saw. I'll show you the pressure. Over that one, take the other two over for a cut and make sure they're tuned in properly. And I'm back, 358, easy cuts. Still a bit small though, Shindewa's a small saw. Shindewa, Now I had to adjust the load just a little bit. It was running too lean, it was hard to start. I'm trying to work it out, it's a small motor, so it's small bits of movement. This is an iron bar. Up the aisle too. Small motor, that's hard work. That's ironbark, look up, ironbark, hard as train stuff. Now I'll go back to the still, and I'll still get to go, but I really think that still's dropped a ring. It's old, it's on a lot of work. I have to look at that spark plug whole thing. Alright, go ahead, still. Try and start her up. Try again on fuel, then the error stuff I don't think it'll start. When it did start up, it didn't want to go. I had to muck around to get it to go up, revs it, then it died. There's something wrong with it. On. I would use choke, pretty flood anyway. Just too easy. I remember this having a lot more high compression. Choke. Oh, there you go. Makes you will start. Not happy though. I'll choke again. You might drop the fuel on off the fuel intake, maybe. I get a bit more fuel on the low. A tiny bit. See the thing? The condensers in the road. The coil. A little more fuel. Not much. The fuel filter and the stuff thing's always been a pain in the butt. Choke again. Right, come on. Borderline. A bit more. I've been played with. It doesn't sound right at all. Try again. It's just stuff for fuel. Might think we've got more fuel, but doesn't need any more. About half full should be enough. I placed a fuel line this a while back. Choke in. Run that fuel. Might need a cover kit. Fuel pump might be shot. That's in a quarter of a turn more fuel so far. Choke again. The chaps are playing now. It's actually the chaps on the tide. One didn't do there. Got it squash. Squash! Come on, undo. There you go. Last bottom. Choke off. The owner loves the store. I don't know why they love it. I was just, oh yes. There's no way you get to that garbage unless you take the cover off. Okay, we're back at the elevator, mate. Now I might leave that top cover off. Right, I do lean out the loads a bit. It's run to Richmond Isles for a while, and you can't get to the mixture screws because of that. He has bought a new one of these. It didn't fit. Something to do with the way the seat is here. We'll try. It's got an air filter on there. See how she goes. That's the same sort of size saw. Green wood, green hardwood. Earmuffs. Warmed up. Oh yeah, get a bit more on the high. Now, a number of things will be wrong with the saw, but I'd say it's probably the clutch springs. We've gone soft in there. the shoe come out and it's oily in the trainer. But yeah, apart from that, I bet she's going to get small motor, a worn out most, and years of service. Right guys, over and out, thank you for watching.